Hi, I'm Francesca Frederick, and I'm here to wash my birds with Mr. Francesca. Okay, we're going to start off with Poultry Protector and two ounces of that in the first bucket. It is used to get rid of any parasites or mites or lice or anything like that. Alright, so we let the bird sit in there for about a minute, and now we're going to add 2 ounces of shampoo into the same bucket. I just added 3 ounces of vinegar, and that is to strip all the shampoo and everything that the rinse didn't get off. Okay, now on to the glycerin. Okay, after you wash your bird, you want to towel dry it as much as you can so that the process of blow drying the bird goes quicker. You want to get under the wing and fluff it up really good, and on its back and on its cape, and you want to really get the tail feathers too. I'm now done blow drying. You want to fully blow dry your bird. And that is a process that takes 10 to 25 minutes. And after you blow dry your bird, the bird is going to start to preen. And you can help the bird or just let it do it on its own. You can lift up the feathers, move the cape around so that it looks nice. Take these feathers, smooth them out, make them look really nice, and then take the tail feathers and spread them out and smooth them and make them look as good as you can. Okay, now we're going to put on some comb reddening. Comb reddening makes the comb and wattle and earlobe. It stimulates the blood flow to make them look nice and red, and then you just gotta wait a little bit, and then it should get nice and red.